Alright, so today we're going to give a presentation on Atomos Edit. We're going to go through what it looks like on the web browser, and then I can also show you what Atomos Edit looks like in Premiere Pro with the newest extension we've recently announced. So yeah, real quickly, I'm just going to show you Atomos Edit, right? This is completely accessible from your web browser, as you can see, atomosedit.com. This over here is the projects that I can work on, or I've been working on, and you can see this over here is the workspaces I'm working in. And like, you know, if you've worked on other NLE programs, this view kind of feels quite familiar. We've got the timeline layout over here, files and folders, and there's your viewer. So once I've made an edit over here, I can go in and export. Right, either I can do an EDL, XML, or a video, or publish it directly to YouTube or any other social media platform you prefer. But in this instance, I'm just going to leave this timeline as is, jump real quickly into Premiere Pro, and then I'm going to fire up that extension I was telling you about called Atomos Edit. Now, I'm in Atomos Edit over here. This is integrated directly in as one of the frames in Premiere Pro's workspace areas. I'm going to go into the project that's called Beyond the Art, and then you can see my sequence. This is all in real time from the cloud. I can go into sequences and I can import this. As soon as I hit import, it'll start downloading, and you can see all the files that were actually used on the timeline is going to start downloading. And that is the same thing as what you saw over here. And this is an online based NLE, and now you're getting all these copies into your local NLE, right? And you can see over here V1, and then this is all the files that are in this bin, right? And then you can see the timeline over here, and I double click that, and that's basically a timeline. And that timeline is essentially the same timeline that was accessible on your web browser. And from here on, now you can go into color grading, you can doing keying, you can add transitions, you can mix the audio, and then once your cinematographer has come back with the actual footage, they can just swap the footage with the actual original media, and you're good for a final export.